Hi, I'm Laura Oliver, a freelance journalist working as a researcher for the Amplify research project. For my case study, I've been looking into how the community of practice has helped to amplify the culture of innovation at the university. So far, I've spoken to Professor Sue Smith, who heads the Innovation and Enterprise Service at UCLan and who has commissioned the Community of Practice Network. I've also spoken to Dr. Joy Garner-Inatimi, who is the leader of the collaboration group within the COP. Several interesting themes have emerged already from my interviews, which I'll be looking to explore further in my research. The first of these, I think, is the way in which the COP has been set up as a voluntary network. Both interviewees reference this in relation to how this changes the nature and the tenor of participation in the group. It seems to create an openness and a willingness to take action that perhaps not been felt in other working groups or structures within the institution, and that it operates outside of or alongside other institutional or academic targets in a way that is quite liberating. While the COP's participants have been asked to think about how they wish to make a difference in their individual fields and areas of expertise, having the space to share knowledge across departments and disciplines has also been referenced as extremely valuable. Both interviewees suggested there is little cross-departmental knowledge sharing that takes place outside of the COP, and that the structures and communication tools are just not in place to facilitate that at scale. Dr. Joy's group have already set up a repository of collaboration stories with this in mind, and to help encourage ongoing sharing of best practice beyond the COP with the wider institution. Some challenges to the COP's value in amplifying innovation have also been referenced. How the end of formal facilitation as part of the project will affect its success is one, and also what would happen if there was a change in institutional leadership or senior support for the COP's work. Equally, another challenge is relying on one member of a department or discipline to effectively represent a range of voices and needs from that field. Professor Smith also reflected on whether the immediate split into groups tackling different issues meant that there hadn't been enough time to reflect or embed the overall ambitions of the project, or to create a shared domain around innovation and enterprise principles.